Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox some items that I bought last week from a local shopping mall here near in my neck of the woods. And this is from the SM shopping mall, and I have here some polo shirts from GUESS. As you know, I've been buying GUESS items for the past years, and I bought from them some Hawaiian shirts, some t-shirts, and some jackets, and some shirts which are Western shirts, and they really look good on me and they fit me well. So I'm going to unbox this polo shirt. As you know, it is summertime, so this is a favorite outfit, most especially here in the Philippines, where summer is very hot, reaching up to more than 40 degrees Celsius during daytime. So I selected these polo shirts because I really don't have much of my attire from the polo shirts. Most of my polo shirts came from Levi's, and I usually use them most of the time during my running on errands and some walking in the mall. So I was able to see two colors of this polo shirt, and I will show you one by one. This is the color black with a color with lining of blue green and indigo blue. So the size of this is medium, and the shoulder length is 7 to 18 inches, and the pit to pit is almost 20 and a half inches, and the hem is 20 and a half inches. So the reason why I bought this shirt is because you cannot see any logo. The logo is very subtle. If you are seeing right now, you can hardly see the logo. The logo is a simple triangle and an inverted triangle, and that's it. So very subtle, and you have the sleeves with the same lining as with the collar. So later on, I'm going to show you how this polo shirt will fit on me. The second one is their white polo shirt, and of course you can see already the logo. And if you don't know about the logo of GUESS, you can hardly determine what brand I am wearing. So the lining is dark blue on the collar and on the sleeves, and you don't see any. It is very simple, belly clean. The price is almost 2,700 pesos, which is equivalent to almost $47 in US dollars. So basically this is very cheap, less than $50. So I have two of these, and these are good for traveling, most especially during this time here in the Philippines. Is summertime, and these are also good for layering. So Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so that we can sustain this small time fashion or about the outfit YouTube channel. And if you have any comments on the search or on this YouTube video content, please do so. And if you haven't clicked that notification bell, please do so. So we'll go to the fitting video after this. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye.